Ooh, could this work? You know, I never have any confidence anymore with streaming, but if this works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I know it's been ages since I've been online. I've just been really busy actually playing VR, not streaming, because I've been enjoying it on No Man's Sky, and I've got a handful of games that I've purchased, tried, and I've got them all to play. So I'm going to try and stream a bit more. This one's an interesting one. This could actually kick off my sort of gaming channel again, so to speak. Boiling Steel. I was given this alpha key. I've never touched this game yet, so I thought I'd jump into this stream. Bit of a review. Let's see what it's like. This is proper alpha gameplay. Like I say, I was just hit up on Discord with a key. So let's see. You're joking. I have to restart the game already. Well, let me see if I can load it in from here actually. How would I do it from here? Can I do that again? I hope someone comes in the chat as well. I can't see the chat room. Oh, hang on, new game.
Hey, you woke up. It is good.
Ooh, it looks
Hibernation lingered, but I could not help with that. Your functions are being restored, so for now just relax and listen to me carefully. I will help you get back in duty. You are a security protocol. We are orbiting the planet in a secret space station. We are created for emergency situations. It seems that this is exactly what happened here. Your body inside that capsule, we still can effectively support it. For you, this is all like a dream, but your consciousness is here with me. If the energy runs out, or we will be assaulted, you will die.
Nice.
For me it will be a great loss, also I will immediately die with you, but more on that later. In order to protect you from going crazy due to isolation at the station, the engineers integrated social algorithms into me. I can offer you to play chess, tell jokes, maintain communication, and also have the flirting function.
Flirting function.
It seems to me that the latest function sometimes glitches, but I think you can figure it out. Because you are so smart and strong.
There she goes.
After the incident, I had enough capacity to support you all this time, and yesterday, I managed to successfully run backup power.
Alright, so first impressions.
Now, you can feel yourself in the form of a hologram. This will make it easier for your brain to process the data. To move in the area, use a touch screen on the left controller. For turns, touchscreen on the right controller. These manipulators allow you to explore the environment.
Give me a second. Okay, cool. So first impressions, kind of a cool idea. You're a hologram. There's an AI bot. The graphics, I don't know how they come across on the stream, but the graphics are quite impressive. So I'm obviously in a space station with a capsule. Let me just see if the stream is actually working. I don't even know how to see if the stream's working or not. Yeah, I don't know. Can I get up a web browser? It's just been so long since I've streamed. Why can I not click it? Okay, good. So it is live. That's really good to see. Let me just check the game is actually coming through. Good. Cool. Good. Cool. Hey. Right. Let me stop that. Okie dokie. Let's jump into this game then. So. Okay. So it's not. I've picked the Steam VR mode, and I don't know if you can see by the controllers, but the joysticks don't work. However, the trackpads do. This was actually very similar in No Man's Sky VR, and you can get a a controller mapping to change those. So that's not a big deal. I wonder if there's any way to change the graphics. So I guess there's a config file somewhere, but to be honest, the graphics look really good. Obviously, as a hologram, I may be just a dot or something. This could, I guess, be my body. How do you? Okay, so you can strafe backwards and forwards, turn. Cool.
Come to me. Do you see these hands?
Oh yes.
These are training manipulators. They will help you to interact with material objects on our base. Activate them by matching your holographic projections with their carcass.
Cool. I like the idea of being a
Similar
hologram.
hands will be in those robotic shells, which we will take in control. As you understood, we have the last power source. My batteries are sinking. I transfer your consciousness into the only robotic shell that available to me. You must save us and restore the power supply to the base. Get ready for the jump. Take the helmet in the center of the room and combine it with your intended head to start.
Well, how? Okay, let me read. Take the helmet, start your session. If you get tired, drink a glass of water and lie down to relax a bit. It ain't working. Oh, okay. For some reason you have to click a button. Headset in a headset.
We are in the abandoned areas. Dusty and dark. Here the last battles took place and there are still remnants of people. Everyone believed that help would come soon. In vain. Let's try to turn on the emergency lighting. Otherwise, we won't find anything. Your model contains an interface that we need, Métis. It is implemented as a tablet on the left hand of the robotic shell. Take it and try to figure it out by yourself.
Nice. So there's a tablet on my left hand.
Scan the environment to find the opportunity to connect to a backup power source.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, I like that.
It probably sounds silly, but I'm afraid of the dark. Please turn on the light for me.
As much as me. How do you, No, that's kind of cool.
Scan the environment to find the opportunity to connect to a backup power source.
On devices.
It probably sounds silly, but I'm afraid of the dark. Please turn on the light. That's better,
Hey, the graphics
right?
look really good.
Let's go down now.
Let me just see my boundary a minute. Okay, I'm good. Do you want to press things? I kind of like the way they've done this tablet. Could do some haptic feedback here. So let me see just how interactive it is. Oh, it's just... Hang on, how did I... I must be standing on something there. Okay, so they are just for show. Cannot see a thing. Let me do a scan. Where's the tablet gone? Oh, well, the tablet's gone.
In this place they hold a line of defense. I wonder how long they held and from what they died. Nearby there are debris of robotic shells. Maybe, was there a fight? There is a chance to redistribute the power inside. You have to connect to the terminal, and I will activate the current block.
Okay, so there's the block. Ah, so you've got to get close enough. It's interesting. Bet there's some puzzles on this game. Damn.
Oh, that was unexpected.
The graphics still look good though. Like really good. Kind of want to keep scanning. Is that the only device there? Yeah, okay. I sort of get how this game works, controller wise. So can you do anything with any of the other objects in the game? Why does it keep moving me away? Oh, I see. So when your body comes to something that you can't really touch, it pushes, or your limb, it pushes you away. Oh no, it didn't dare. Weird.
You need to move forward. There is an energy pulse.
So the atmosphere is good. Definitely feels like I'm on a bit of a space station. I'm getting the vibes.
Behind the bridge near the hangars, there is an entry point to the network of the energy system. We'll take the rest energy from it to our base. Such points are the main goal. I will redirect the flows for our base. Your capsule should receive energy.
The text moving in line with your view is good as well. But yeah, I'm definitely getting a good spaceship vibe. And it's good. I'd say this is an alpha. They've definitely put a lot of effort in already. Former scanning. I guess you do something with this. Ding, ding. Tap to start energy transfer.
Here is a less amount of energy than I expected. It enough only for a deeper scan and rehacking. Wait a bit.
That's a typo, by the way.
I found an energy signature in the old factory for the producing and testing builder shells. Be ready to dive in. I transfer your consciousness.
Cool.
We have arrived. This is a factory for crash tests. There should be a connection node to the energy network. It is behind the testing ground. You again have a rejected model. Because of the defect, they did not even make it to the testing line. But I am sure that under your control we will complete an obstacle course.
Yeah. Oh, there's settings there. Sorry, I'm just checking the settings. Mirror mode. Yeah, they're all okay. Pretty cool. Oh, yeah. I have to keep this up. That's 3 devices. So that door there.
The door is locked. You need to find the access code. Try to connect to a laptop in the next room. There is a broken teleport in this room. I think it was done intentionally. A man could not master the technology without damaging organic. Robotic shells teleport themselves without loss of consciousness. They were afraid of the uncontrolled robotic shells rush. They made an overload on permissible one-time teleportation weight. Now the module is littered with metal beams.
Okay, so I need to get the laptop, go back to that door. Or should I say, get the code, go back to the door. And I did see something on the desk over there, but I like to always snoop around. Cool, bit of a puzzle. Let me just check the stream a second. How did I get to it before? Oh yeah, there. Hey, Sam Plays. Hey, Sam Plays. I don't know when you come online, but I don't know if my chatbot's working. Unfortunately, it's working. So, okay, let me stick to the rules before I start playing with things. So the personal device, 5, 6, 4, 3. Aha. I like it.
Code 0451. P.S. I changed the testing system to the active phase. It is difficult to understand how much robotic shells have evolved, but I hope turrets and lasers will delay the first wave.
0451?
You found the right numbers. Perfect. Hurry up, open the door to the main chamber. There is a highlighted dial on the stand.
Okay, so even though you move forward, where you look moves. Oh, come on. It should auto accept codes you put in. What was it? 0, 4... No. Oh, come on, there's a delay. 04 51. There you go.
Operator's chamber.
I'm gonna just be in the habit of scanning all the time now, just in case there's something in these lockers. Although, let's come up with a new door.
I found out that robotic shells with this firmware have the ability of a dimensional dash. It performs a sharp shift in the direction chosen by the operator. To use it, select direction and press the activator on the right hand. Your objective is to master the technique of a sharp dash.
Press the button part of the right touchpad. Oh yeah. Sorry. So does it? I don't understand how you. Okay. Yeah, I get it. So the way you move, if you press dash. Oh wow, that looks cool. If you press dash while you are moving, you literally do dash. It's kind of cool. Am I supposed to get through this? Did I do it? I must have done it. Okie dokie. Nice. Oh, I thought there were turrets, as in gun turrets. Pass through the obstacles without damaging the shell. In case of damage, you will have to start up. I hope you don't mean start over from the very start.
Consider that this is your young fighter obstacle course. I'll give you the Robo Scout badge.
Get over there. God, it's difficult doing this in VR.
Move your iron ass while you're alive.
I am. Oh no, I've come the wrong way. I'm gonna have to dash. Ooh. God damn it! So close. Okay. Not too bad. Shit. Loving the dash. It's just really difficult. Yeah, it's difficult, the idea of dashing left when you know there's a laser there. Oh Christ! No! Oh, it's letting me go through. That's pretty bad. I could have made that last one without messing about.
It was not difficult. A more tough test awaits you further.
I'm gonna struggle being this hologram, aren't I?
Michael, everyone decided to retreat to the airfield. There are no pilots among us, but we will try to fly away. We will lock the doors, in case they manage to activate the teleport again, or if one of these dummies will come to life and will want to kill me.
From Nick Fury. I'm gonna get you, Nick. Okay, cross the danger zone using dash. In case of damage, you will have to restart. Whoa. Easy. Dash forward. I can do that.
Here will be a sharpness test. As soon as you push the lever, you need to make several straight dashes. If you do everything right, the door won't crush you and we will finish this test.
Okay, so a little bit of criticism is the boundary here, but that's seconds, okay. So what do I do? Come on. Yeah.
After final scanning and systems testing, the Commission sent the models for revision or improvement. Come to the bridge, time to get wet in the rain. Do not be afraid of rust, soon I will take your consciousness out of this shell.
This looks like one of the machines that I spawned in.
Power center ahead. Redistribute as many energy streams as possible to our base. The procedure is already familiar to you. Splendidly. Slightly better, but still not enough. Get ready to dive in. I spotted another energy stream. This is another typical abandoned assembly factory, but in a different part of this planet.
Alexa, ask GamerChat to go. Sorry, 2 seconds. She's not convinced. Sorry. Okay. Crazy.
Attention. You are in the working model. This time there is no technical defect. You have a repair robot and with a tool in his hands. Get the tool. This will be the first time, so you need to figure it out. A welding unit and a multifunctional shock charger are available for us. I will show you a holographic manual. Check your systems. You have a holographic inventory on your left hand. To open it, click on the controller, a grip button. When you choose one of the tools, just pull it out with your other hand. The program will teleport your weapons from the base.
I'm streaming.
Spread the contour to the full capacity.
Christ.
To the full capacity, my dear. Do not be afraid to throw the tool away or lose it. You can always get a new one. We have them in abundance for a life of continuous work.
Okay, clamp the grip, left hand. Whoa. That looks pretty damn cool. Love it. That's good. Can't remember which one was which. This must be the why can I not use it anymore? Okay, so you gotta... Okay, spread it, spread.
We are locked in this chamber. We need to supply with power the door. Find the distribution board. A large, hanging on the wall, box should be somewhere nearby.
I do like it. I do like it.
They put seals on it. Cut them with a welding machine.
Which one do you reckon's a welding on the top one?
They put seals on it. Cut them with a welding machine. They put seals on it. Cut them with a welding machine. The board is open, and this is good. Let's now try to return the voltage. Take your charger tool. Charge the batteries until the indicator light is full.
Kinda cool.
Near the door should be a lever. Pull it on and move on.
I like the mechanics. The mechanics of the game are pretty cool. So I don't know what's going there.
Robots have launched new lines for self reproduction. I watched them all this time while you were sleeping. They have. Ahead is the main energy core of the plant. If everything works out, this will be enough for us to launch the main systems of our base. Find the stairs. We need to launch the reactor.
Just looking. I'm just looking. I think I'll copy this open again. This one first. That's how I roll. Don't even know what this is for. We'll charge it. Yeah, it's good. It's a good game.
Access to the control room is blocked. They have disconnected every sector.
Those lights. Upstairs we go.
Distribution boards also sealed. I think you know what to do. Charge them up.
All of them? No, I do feel like a robot player. Oop, wrong one. Wasn't at all. How does this one look broken?
Wow, the factory heart began operating. Now connect to the terminal using a Mate's tablet. We will try to activate the reactor. Is this one small step for a man? Access to the control room granted. Go downstairs and then to the engine room along the bridges.
Makes you wonder if we're all going to be just holograms in the future, or memories living inside a computer network. Just put the one upstairs. Look at those things, I don't know what they are.
Beware of discharges, not to get fried. The elevator is near, let's go down. Use the Métis for elevator management and activation. Below is a very large energy center. Nobody knows that you and I again powered him with energy. I hope they cannot track it and take it from us. It is necessary to use this energy resource wisely. Connect to it. Let's see what kind of catch will be this time. No more waiting. It is time to move to action. Get ready. I am relocating you.
Just like that.
How are you feeling? It must be very lousy after the jump. I hope you do not sway ahead of time. I still cannot provide you with a rest protocol. Look, next to your capsule there is an indicator of our energy. Your heroic actions allowed us to get the technical minimum.
2%.
It will be enough for the first time. Now, this is our main goal. More energy will allow us to launch additional functions for the base. You will get new compartments. This will expand the functionality and increase the survival chances of our team. If the energy level reaches 0 again, we will die. And I'm afraid that this time for sure. I restored the power of the central room. I am opening the door for you there.
Okay, I like the idea.
Go to the control panel. You need to choose a new destination on the map.
That is cool. I like the idea of sort of this is the game. The aim of the game is to keep that energy up, to get that energy as high as you can. The more energy you have, the more you can do. And I guess the more you mess up, the drop in energy that you have. It's good. Really good. I think this is a good time to... God, that was just the intro. This could be a good time to stop the stream. And I might do another tomorrow. It's nice. Really nice.
Welcome to Genome. This is a global electronics and networking optical microengineering system. Please, give me a minute.
Even in the future, there's loading times.
Take a look. This is an abandoned robot planet. There are no people left and there are almost no interfaces available for us. I need to hack someone down there to move your mind. I will try to choose the best avatar for us. On the surface, there is a permanent war of combat algorithms. Something went wrong and the mechanisms broke up into several warring factions. The main ones are military and scientists. I do not know how they exactly call themselves down there. We'll see everything in place. But we will not be welcome there. All that you can expect is shoot to kill. Each of your actions and each of your failures cost me a lot, so try not to fail anymore. Are we still with you, an effective team? Is it true?
Yeah.
Activate the scanner to search for available places for exploration.
Nice, so you can literally get warped into different...
Select available mission
holograms.
coordinates.
I don't know what screts are.
Initiate a start.
Nice. So that's a shocker and that's a nail gun. Time warp. Dummy clone. Time warp. Can't read that writing. So that's an active one. You press the touchpad to do a dummy clone. And I guess the dummy clone will take fire. And then the time warp. I like the idea of a time warp. I'm going to try the time warp.
Get ready. We begin to dive in.
Nice. I like it. I do like it.
Your robotic shell is a usual working model. The combat shells have a very strong firewall. Only the first test samples are available for us. I will try to change the shell tool for your protection. Any selected device will operate at maximum power according to a modified program. This will lead to almost instantaneous breakdown or overheating. Throw away used tool and take a new one. As you understand, in combat there is no time for waiting. But there is industrial teleportation.
There's my clone. So what's the time warp then? Nice, I like it. I really do like it. It's got some good mechanics. So you've got a couple of weapons, shocker and nail gun, and then I've got my dash, which is bottom right, and then my ability is the clone. Don't know how to do the time warp though. Maybe I'll wait until my ability's full and try a different button. Interesting to see the combat. Okay. Gun ready.
Stop right there. There will be several enemies ahead. Now, go do some damage. Come on. Time to rob and kill. We will regain our former greatness.
Oh! I survived. For now.
You seem good at it.
Yeah. Where could I get one of those swords though? Addicted to the scanner. Nothing. use the hologram straight away.
That's where one of the factions extracts energy. It will be more than usual. Let's find the connection point.
It's cool. So they'll go left. Really complicated. Oh nice. They have friendly fire as well. Car, weapon, dodge. So he's got a heavy weapon. He's like a boss, this guy.
It was hot, huh? But you have done well.
That was difficult. I thought I did really good. There's an energy source. It's all mine.
Here is a suitable power unit. Connect to it via Mate's tablet. Did you took? Great, let's back to the base.
That you took. Yeah, so I can
Hello.
tell like, it's not made
How
by
are you feeling?
English
It
people,
must be
but
very
English is
lousy
pretty
after
good.
the jump. I hope you do not get swayed ahead of time. But we need to work today, so wake up and sing. There is not much time left, and we still really need these damn resources.
I like it. That's good. Right, I'm going to end the stream here, but yeah, very, very happy with this game actually. I like the way you can, you know, dive into a mission. Different weapons, different skills. There's a lot to it. So that's the end of the stream. I don't know why my voice bot wasn't working, but anyway, good game. I think I might do another stream tomorrow. Where am I stood? Okay, where I started. So I'll see you all later. Now, how do I do this again? Oh yeah. So many buttons. There you go. Oh god. It's painful recording in VR.